Hello everyone, this is Rishi George and here I am going to discuss about my program which deals with the basic concepts of file handling, and here we are going to understand how to read the data from the file. And as you can see this question where we have to create a user defined function in C++ to read the content from a text file out.txt, and we have to count the number of alphabets and we have to display it. So we can see the code for that. First of all, we can see that we have created a file in the desktop by name of out, and we are using that, we are reading from that file through our C++ commands. And we can see that we have the basic header file include #include_iostream and using namespace std, and this one more header file what we will discuss later, and we can see why we are using it. And we can see that we have created a function void alphabets, and after that we have created a main. In this main we are calling this alphabet function, and so what goes inside this alphabet is main, how we call the how we read from the file. So we start with the alphabet function that is being called in the main, and inside this alphabet function we are having an if stream, that is an input file stream, which is a standard class method, and it can be only used when we create a header file fstream, as this fstream contains all the keywords which can be used for keywords which will be used for reading all the data or writing data into a file. So we can see that in input file stream, that is the if stream, we have the standard class method, and then we have created an object ob, and then we have given the path of the file, that is out text, and we can see that we can directly call the out text. We don't need this direct location, we can directly call this out text, but if you need we can call it from the location, that is this is the location followed by the name of the file dot the type of the file, that is text file. And then we have initialized a data of data type char, and this will be basically passed to read the data. And then we have initialized a number, that is no is equals to 0 of data type int, followed by a while loop. In this while loop we can see that we have used the object ob.eof function. eof is basically eof is the end of file method, standard method which will be used to read the data from the file. So this is our file out.txt, and inside this we can see that we have passed two messages, that is hello world. So what this eof will do is that it will read the data, that is it will read character by character till the end, and it will return 1 at the end. So we have given that not of 1, that is it should not return 1, that until that it will return 0 at the last it will return, because we are giving not of 1, so at last it will return 1. But if you don't give not of 1, it will give return 1, and we will get an output of 0 as it won't read from the file. So then we are calling this ob.getData. This getData is basically so that we can use the void spaces also if there is if any void spaces are present in the character in the string method, or we can use we can read that void spaces also through this get method. And then we are displaying the data that is being present in the file, and then we are using another standard method, that is alpha function. This is basically used to read the whether the input, the data which we are passing is whether a character or integer, and it will read the data. And if it is alpha data, then we will increase the number of the character, that is a number will increment it from 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it will go on until it reaches the end, and we will show that output at cout the number of alphabets are number. And this is another standard method ob.close to basically exit from the file and closing it. So we can see the output here. So the output shows hello world, that is the cout data, and we can see that the number of alphabets are 10, that is 5 in hello and 5 in world, that reads at 10. So this was all about file handling. Thank you so much for watching my video.